In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix OnlyFans not working on mobile, browser setting, VPN, DNS, and payment errors. Fix 1. Check internet connection. You just have to ensure that you are having a internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary. Toggle aeroplane mode on and then off. That poor connection is a primary cause of loading errors. Fix 2. Restart your phone. You can press and hold the power button, or you can simply swipe up, and here you can see a power option. Just click on that and click on restart. Then again you have to reopen the OnlyFans app. Fix 3. Clear cache and data. On Android you have to open the settings, open it, and here you have to look for apps and click on manage apps. Then here you have to look for OnlyFans. Then you just have to open that and tap on storage, and there you can see a clear cache and clear data option. You just click on that and clear it. Fix 4. Clear browser data. For that, open the browser. Then here you can see three dots. Click on that and click on settings. And here you have to move to the privacy and security. And here you have to click on delete browsing data. Then here you have to select the time range to all time. Then here you have to check all the box and click on delete data. So this will help you to delete all the browser data from your browser. For iOS, you have to open the setting of your mobile and then tap on the apps. Then click on Safari from the list of the app and tap on clear history and website data. Choose the desired time range like all history. Then toggle close all the tabs if you want to close all the tabs. Then you have to tap on clear history to confirm. Fix 5. Update app or browser. You just have to open the Play Store or App Store of your device and search for OnlyFans in a search bar. And then you have to tap on update button. If any update is available, you just have to install the latest version. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.